Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. There in this video we are going to discuss the MCQs of Chemistry 12 chapter 14 macromolecules. First MCQs is in which of these processes are small organic molecules made into macromolecules? The cracking of petroleum fraction, the fractional distillation of crude oil, polymerization of ethane, or the hydrolysis of proteins. There, from the given choices, the polymerization of ethane is such a process in which small organic molecules make macromolecules, as you can see in this diagram. So the exact answer is polymerization of ethane. Next, which of these polymers is an additional polymer? Nylon 6,6, polystyrene, trilene, epoxy resins. There, polystyrene is such a polymer in which the molecules of styrene act as a monomers and give polystyrene. Other three polymers like nylon 6,6, trilene and epoxy resins are condensation polymers. As you can see in this diagram, when polymerization of styrene take place, then polystyrene is formed. So the exact answer is polystyrene. Next, which of these polymers is a synthetic polymer? Animal fat, starch, cellulose or polyester. There, polyester is a synthetic polymer which is produced from the polymerization of certain esters. All the other polymers in the given choices are natural polymers. So the exact answer is polyesters. Next, plastic cause pollution problem because many plastics are made from petroleum, are very inflammable, burn to produce toxic fumes, decompose to produce toxic products. There, plastic create pollution problem because many plastics decompose to produce toxic products. So the exact answer is decompose to produce toxic products. There, यहाँ पर burn to produce toxic fumes, ये ऑप्शन उस वक्त सही होता अगर नेचुरली ये प्रोसेस होता. ये हम प्लास्टिक को जब जलाएंगे, जब उसको बर्न करेंगे तब टॉक्सिक फ्यूम्स पैदा होंगे, जबकि ये डिकम्पोजिशन का जो प्रोसेस है ये नेचुरली होगा. अगरचे इसको बहुत टाइम लगेगा लेकिन ये नेचुरली होगा, तो इसलिए नज़दीक तरीन ऑप्शन यही बनेगा, डिकम्पोज टू प्रोड्यूस टॉक्सिक प्रोडक्ट्स. देयर नेक्स्ट है द फाइबर विच इज मेड फ्रॉम एक्राइलोनाइट्राइल एज मोनोमर, पीवीसी, रेयन फाइबर, एक्राइलिक फाइबर और पोलिएस्टर फाइबर. Acrylic fiber is made from acrylonitrile which act as a monomer. So the exact answer is acrylic fiber. Next, a polymeric substance that is formed in the liquid state and then hardened to a rigid solid is called as fiber, plastic, varnish, polyamide resin. There, this is a property of plastics that they are produced in the liquid states and then they are hardened to a rigid solid. So the exact answer is plastic. Next, vegetable oils are unsaturated fatty acids, glycerides of unsaturated fatty acids, glycerides of saturated fatty acids और essential oil obtained from plants. प्यारे दोस्तों, vegetable oils are unsaturated glycerides of fatty acids. They undergo hydrolysis to give sodium salt to fatty acids which are used as a soap. Glycerol is also produced along with that. So the exact answer is glycerides of unsaturated fatty acids. Next, which one of the following element is not present in all protein? Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur. There, carbon, nitrogen and hydrogen are present in protein along with oxygen. But some of the proteins have sulfur in them. Sulfur is not present in all proteins. So the exact answer is sulfur. Which one of the following nitrogenous base is not present in RNA? Cytosine, adenine, thymine, uracil. There, 4 different bases are found in DNA: cytosine, thymine, adenine and guanine. In RNA, thymine does not occur and its place is taken by uracil. So the exact answer is thymine. Which one of the following nitrogenous base is not present in RNA? Thymine. Which of the following enzymes bring about the hydrolysis of fats? Urease, maltase, zymase or lipase. There, lipase is one of the enzymes which bring about the hydrolysis of fats. So the exact answer is lipase. The reaction between fats and NaOH is called esterification, hydrogenolysis, fermentation, saponification. There, when fats and oils are reacted with NaOH, then the reaction is called saponification. So the exact answer is saponification. Which one of the following statements about glucose and sucrose is incorrect? Both are soluble in water, both are naturally occurring, both are carbohydrates, both are disaccharides. There, glucose and fructose are carbohydrates which are naturally occurring and they are water soluble. They are both monosaccharides. So the exact answer, both are disaccharides. Which one of the following statements about glucose and sucrose is incorrect? Both are disaccharides. ग्लूकोज इज मोनोसेक्राइड एंड सक्रोज इज डाइसेक्राइड। देर आज के लिए इतना ही। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ मिलेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।